Listen. Turn to the left, and it goes away. Correct it, and it comes back. Turn to the right, and it's really fucking violent. It's like a clicking, too. So fucking terrible.